Hello all, welcome to my channel. I'm Raju Pujala. In this video, let's take a look at common table expressions, CTEs, by using the with clause. So what exactly is this with clause? So every time, whenever you are running a query, you can't save the results as a table, right? And sometimes you need the temporary views or the tables where you can run at that time. And once you close that window, the data will be like removed. So basically, by using this with clauses, we can achieve the temporary tables. Let's see how we can do that. So for example, let's going back to this one. So click on a new tab. So let's assume that I have data, this one, um, Rajiv as name, um, Jala as surname, I India as my country. That's country. Let's assume that I have one more record. Select Mahesh, comma Chavardam, comma Singapore, and then let's look at the other table as well. Select Sai Chaganti, and he stays in Malaysia. So if I run this one, so basically it gives us the result. And actually, so this is like only applicable to this view. So once we go into the other tab, actually we can't you can't access this data. And to access this data everywhere, we have the concept which is called the tables. And now let's see that I want to save this. Instead of writing this again and again and again, I want to add this to a temporary table where I can call, instead of writing all this one, I can simply call using the temporary, using the common table expressions. And so let's see how we can do that. So with whatever the name that you want to write, for example, I'm naming it as like names as, okay, let's open the bracket here and close the bracket here. That's it. So basically now I use a common table expression called with, and I have given the name as names as, this is the syntax, open the bracket and this one. Now select, now just consider this as a table. So how you call a table? Select start from table, right? So now the table here is the names. So that's it. So now you can see, instead of writing this code again and again all the time whenever it is required, so basically you can directly call it using the common table expressions, which is the names here, right? And one disadvantage about this one, so this is a temporary view, which means that, for example, now if you copy these names and if you take another tab and if you update over here and if you run here, now the BigQuery, it returns some errors saying the table names must be qualified with the dataset. Basically, it doesn't know what exactly the what it looks for the table where the table name is names in our data set, in our project, and if it is not available, it returns this error. So but if you go back to this tab, if you look at this one, whatever the with clause we wrote over here, this is restricted and applicable only for this tab, not for any other tabs. So this is how we differentiate between the tables and the common table expressions. So CTEs are only the temporary results, and the tables are like if you create once, basically you can access from anywhere. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my videos and the concepts and the content, please do watch my rest of the videos in this playlist, and please do like and subscribe. Thank you and have a good learning.